So it's during the Spanish-American War, after the Civil War. 1898, okay. After the United States entry into the Spanish-American War, Tampa citizens demanded increased coastal defenses. November 1898, construction began on the new military post on Mullet Key, Fort Soto, named in 1900. It looks like a jail, but it's not. It's just part of the fort. Oh wow. I guess they had artillery shells and stuff in here.
See, they would put cannons out right here.
Yeah. Yep, it's a fort, buddy. Let's go in there. This is cool. Oh, it just ends. It's not like it goes deeper into the. What's it say?
Electricity to fire the water with power of the searchlight that goes between the battery and the beach for general lighting. The engine would maintain 1 horsepower for 1 hour with a pony kerosene. It had no ignition apparatus. The dynamos charged the batteries, which operated the telephone system. Before 1908, there was a well in the rear of the dynamo ring, which used to supply circulating water for Hornsby Admiral oil engine. Please don't do that.
That's cool. What year was this fort set up, does it say? 1898? So it was a little bit after the Civil War.
Okay, if we can come out some hotel, I'll get you
So it was set up after the Civil War.
I've never heard of this before. I have to say.
Just embrace his cannon. That's probably the funniest expressions I've ever heard.
It's more. Oh, that's something.
Hey, there's pictures over here. It's over here.
Let's check these out.
That's the Indian tribe up there too, like in this area.
What was the name of the Indian tribe?
Well, hang on. Tocobaga. That's probably not how to say it. Tocobaga. Okay, I'm just gonna have to read it. The recorded history of Yep.
You said it's officers' quarters or whatever?
Yeah, there's like a house like this.
Okay. So those were around the fort, or were they in St. Petersburg or something?
Yeah, they're right out here.
Okay. Are they still here, or are they? Echo. Echo, 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 echo. Echo, 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 echo. Let's get a little hot here, though.
Yeah, I'm getting the floor. Ready to have that?
Beach. It's gorgeous. 41 steps. See that seagull?